did great. I didn't hear you at all. Whew, that is powdery.
You wanted the towel so your clothes wouldn't get wet, and that's to wipe your hands.
And to wipe this.
That's why you wanted it so. What do you have to do it on? Oh, that's why you got the sweeper.
Yeah.
I am the power of the sweet man. You can clean up.
Okay.
Yeah. Why do you need an egg holder?
Because it's got eggs in it.
Why do you need eggs if you're crushy?
Alright, I'm about to make another one.
Oh my gosh. Could I help you with the green circles?
No.
Could I feel it?
Yeah.
Ready? Can I watch you now? This time.
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta set this up.
Goodness.
No, I'm setting it up. Can you put this in that box behind you?
That's what I did to Miss Dowding's chair. When I went up to her, I put one hand on her chair and one on her desk. And
Okay, well, stop doing that because you're making everything shake.
everything? Are you going to put a little bit?
No, purple, orange, and green for Halloween.
I see the orange, but the purple covers it up.
I haven't put the orange on there yet.
I thought I kind of saw one.
See? It's not even opened yet.
Purple, orange, and green.
Halloween.
Shouldn't it be purple, orange, and black for Halloween?
There's some black glitter in that box if you can find it.
Okay.
That would be a good idea.
Oh, this is gray, I think.
Yeah, that's not it. It's black.
This?
Yes, that's it. That is it.
It's more like Italian black.
Metallic, yeah. It's a metallic-y black. See?
It's still black, right?
Yeah.
For Halloween?
Halloween. That's spooky looking, huh? All right, throw those in the thing.
Hopefully I don't cough in the video.
No, please don't cough in the video.
What if I did?
Please don't. You didn't in the other. I mean, I wouldn't be happy about it.
Would you yell at me?
No.
What would you do?
I would make a face at you. Put that down there.
Like this?
Put it down there.
Like you always do when I do it?
Yeah. Can you try not to, though? Okay. All right. I'm about to do this one.
Wait, let me put my back strap. Back strap. I'll tell you when to go.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, hold on. All right, you ready?